Okay, everything is fine.
Yes.
Wait for 1 minute, Ravi. I think some others will join.
Okay, guys. So let's start it, right?
Yes, yes, carry on. Go ahead,
Oh,
Ravi.
okay, guys. So now in this, right? This is the just what? This is the this is the Amazon application is there, guys. Some enhancement we want, right? Some just what here mobile is there, right? Mobile model already is there. We want to add, right? We want to what? Add one more module. Just give the laptop module. I want to add here laptop module also, right? Laptop module also. Then here what will happen now? So just normally, right? Normally what? It's increase. What is that? Like what? In case of just what? Project enhancement means what? If enhancement is there, no, this one is not. Let's think about one more disadvantage, right? Yeah. Okay, yeah, if we want to increase one more module, right, in this application, then what? The size also will increase or increase it or not, guys? Come on, just what is that? Already this application is there, right? Already this application is there in the size of what? This application, this app war, just think about that. This is the 20 MB, right? I'm giving what? 10-20 MB, right? The size, already the size is what? This application size is what? 20 MB, right? So we want to
MB.
we want to enhance one more module in this application, right? In this application we want to enhance means what? We want to increase one more module. We want to increase means what? Our its size is increased na. Come on, means what? Just 330 MB, right? If we add, what is that? MB. If we want to increase one more module, then size also will increase na.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
So in case of, right, in case of project enhancement, application size may get increased, which lead to CI/CD problem, guys. Okay, CI/CD problem. CI/CD problem is what? Continuous integration and a continuous deployment
Integration and continuous deployment.
problem, right? Must stop all instances. Must means what? All instances. It will, if in size is increased, right, then may can be stop, right? Can be stop this another instances also. Can be stop what? Another instances also, right? And another instances also. Let's first understand what is as a diagrammatically what is the CI/CD process, guys. Okay, CI/CD process, then we will then I will come to that point, right? That point. So first I will write that one. What is that? In what is that? In case of what? In case of project, in case of project enhancement, in case of project enhancement application, application size, application size, application size may get what? May get increase, increase, which lead, which leads to CI/CD problem, right? Problem may leads what? CI/CD problem, right? Must stop all instances and rebuild and deploy for even small code update also, right? For the small code update also. So first let's understand what is the CI/CD, right? So the normally, right, normally what will happen now, guys? So developer is developing the code na. Developer, what the developer is doing now? Developer is completing that code, right? This is the client machine, no, developer machine, right? This is what? Developer machine, right? So after then what will happen now? Developer, this is the dev machine. dev system, right? This is the dev system. After completing his code, right, what he's doing now, he's pushing that code inside that what, inside that repository na, git repository. Come on,
Yes.
inside the git repository, right? So which operation is doing now, which pull or push, right? Pull or push operation is doing, right? If you need, right, the code in the system, then what he is doing now, pulling the code, right? If he need to push, means what, store the code means pushing the code, right? Now
Yes, sir.
push and pull, push and what, pull now. Okay, good. This is the pushing, and what is that, this is the pulling.
Auto threading.
This is the pulling now. Fine. Okay, good. So now in the git account, right, GitHub, right, in the GitHub the code is there now. In the GitHub, what is that, in the GitHub, this is the GitHub, right? In the GitHub our code is there now. Good. So here what is that, from here in the, from the GitHub, right, from the GitHub dev team is there, guys. Okay, dev team is there, right? Dev team is there. DevOps, right? DevOps people, right? Using DevOps, right? DevOps team is there, right? Those people is putting that code inside that water, using currently what, at AWS server, the AWS cloud server is there. They are deploying in that only, right? In that many is there. Google cloud is there. AWS cloud is there, and even multiple servers are there. Just I'm taking
Azure,
one.
Microsoft.
Yeah, Azure also there. AWS cloud, right? AWS cloud is there. So what will happen now, using these tools, right? So the thing is happen now, they are converting, right? They are converting this one in the like application in the jar file, right? In the jar file, right? In the jar file, just abc dot var I'm giving, right? abc dot var. Okay, so now after then what they are doing now, after then they are creating one job. They are creating one job about this, what is about this war, they are creating one job now, right? And based on that server, based on this one, right, this job are nothing but this var they are deploying in the server. They are deploying in the server only, right? This is the server. This is the server. This is the server. In the server, what is happening now, this abc var is running now. This abc var is running now. Okay, so now here, from here,
Running now.
now from here, right, from here, from the git account, right, from the git account, our DevOps people is taking, right, taking the code, and they are converting in the var, and they are converting in the var, and what is that, they are creating one jar and a job, and that job they are deploying inside that what, they are deploying inside that what, server, right? And server, and this process they are doing using one tool. That tool name is nothing but what, guys? The tool name is nothing but what, guys? Jenkins. Come on, Jenkins, right? This
Increase which leads to
yeah, so now this things is happening based on that what, based on that what, using based on that what, which tool now guys? Jenkins. Jenkins means what? In the current application they are integrating, right? They are integrating what? Current enhancement, right? Current enhancement in the project they are deploying, right? So now continuously, right? Continuously, like what? Code integration, right? Continuous, sorry. So here what is that? What just whatever code our developer is pushed, right? Whatever code our developer is pushed here, what will happen now? What will happen now? Our
It will
DevOps,
change in the GitHub.
no, yeah, this modification is happening in the Git, right? Whenever this code is happening using Jenkins tool, what will happen now? Again, just now they are converting in the var, and they are creating one job, and that job is deploying in the server, right? In the server, right? So any updation is happening just now, means what? Any updation is happening now, means what will happen now? Continuous integration, right? That suddenly that using Jenkins tool, right? Suddenly what will happen now? They are converting in the jar and they are deploying, right? This process is nothing but what? This process is nothing but what? CI/CD. CI/CD means what? Continuous
Integration and
yeah,
continuous deployment.
continuous integration means what? Continuously they are creating the var, and what is that? After creating the var, they are deploying in the server. Here what is that?
Server.
From here to here, whatever process is happening, that is nothing but what? This process is nothing but what? Continuous integration. And from here to here, whatever things is happening, that thing is nothing but what? Continuous deployment. This is continuous deployment and a CI/CD. This is nothing but what? CI/CD. Clear, guys?
Yes, clear, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
Come on. Pushpendra is there or not in the session?
I'm there, Ravi.
What happened? Padma, Pushpen, these people are not responding even. Why? Our session is not interested. Sorry, interesting. Sorry, interesting. Our session is not interesting. I know
Ravi,
that.
session is interesting,
You know too
but
much.
there was so much noise if I unmute.
Yeah. Sorry. No, actually, you know the theory
There was
part.
some noise if I unmute.
Yeah. So here.
If I unmute, then I'll
Yeah.
be able to
Okay.
discuss.
No. So these things is happened, right? This one is called what? This process is nothing but what? This process is nothing but what? Continuous integration, right? Continuous integration, and these things from here to here, whatever things is happening, that is nothing but what? Continuous deployment. Continuous deployment.
Continuous
Deployment.
integration.
This is the CI/CD, right?
CI/CD part.
This is the CI/CD. Okay, so now this is the problem, right? This is the problem. If everything, if every time if we are doing the changes, may our what will happen now? Another instances also will stop, guys. Okay, another instances also will stop. So this is the disadvantage or not?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so good, guys.
Yes,
So
Ravi, this is my disadvantage.
so still like the session is boring, right? Today I know that, because the theory total theory part is there, and even like the people don't know about like the things also, right? So this is the little bit I know that, but whenever we will enter in these concept, then and even we will see those things as a practical also, then the session will be interactive, guys. Okay, and interesting also. But you know, without these things I can't enter in the microservices directly. If I enter directly, right, then the like your doubt every time you will get what, why these things is happening, why these things is happening, you guys only will ask, right? So the like the things, so the thing is, without this concept we can't enter in the microservices, right? We can't enter in the microservices.
Yes, Ravi.
So similar way, guys. Okay, similar way, guys. Okay, so just right, if we come in the last time, right? Last time, if any modification, right? If we want to add, right? If we want to add another services, right? In the same application only, if we want to add, right? Add what is that? Some another like framework, another framework. It's not meaning that, guys, okay, if our application is running in based on that what Spring framework, we can't add, right, what data Hibernate also we can use it, right? So similar way in a monolithic application, if we are using another technology, right? If we are using what another technology to integrate latest concept, like latest concept may affect what our project design also, may affect what our project design also, like what. So these are the problem, right? These are the disadvantage in what monolithic application, guys. Okay, so monolithic application, in the monolithic what, these are the disadvantage. So now, okay, so now the thing is, let's understand what is the microservices, guys. Okay, now let's understand what is the microservices. Please mute yourself, Praveen. So many noises happening your side. Noise is happening. Okay. Okay, good. So now let's understand, right? Let's understand what is microservices. Okay, what is the just definition we will understand. Okay, just we will understand definition, guys. Okay, so today, okay, so here what is that here? So normally we can say we seen that, right? Monolithic application, right? These are the multiple, guys. Active yourself. Then I can introduce microservices today. Otherwise, I will stop it.
Okay.
Active yourself now, guys. Give the everyone response. Use the chat box. I want everyone answer.
Yes, Ravi.
Even whatever things I covered, right? I will put the question also, guys. I need the answer also, right?
Yes, okay, Ravi, tell me.
Use the chat box, guys. I want from everyone yes answer in the chat box. Venkatesh, I got. Okay. What about other?
What's the question?
Nothing. Question is not there. I want to introduce our microservices. Because of that, I want to see that how many people are active now.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so now let's understand, right? The question is what? The question, just I'm giving the introduction, right? Introduction, a definition of what? Definition of what? Microservices. Okay, so why the people are moving in a microservices application, right? Microservices application. So the question is what is microservices, right? Services. Okay, so the thing is, okay, so we seen that, right? We seen that one module equal to what? There one module, right? Here, see, this is the Amazon application is there, right? This is the Amazon application. In that, what is that? We are seeing that what is that? This is the one module, right? Here, what is that? One module. The combination of multiple module, we are saying that what? One project, or we are saying that one application. Nah, here, come on.
Yeah, yes.
Yes, Ravi.
See here we are saying that one service, right? One service. Come on, means what? This is the one service, right? We included in this application. Come on.
Yes.
Similar way,
Yes, yes.
similar way, this is the one, another service, this is the another service, and this is the another services. Both including all services in the single application are some single project. That is nothing but what? Monolithic application, na? Come on, guys.
Yes, yes. In the collection of services.
Yeah, the collection of services, right? The collection of services. But what is that module? We can say that one module. Just we can say that this is the one module also, right? This is the cart one module, and this is the one module and another module, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So good. So here what in the microservices, right? The microservices first understand, right? Okay. So here one module. Here what? One module equal to one project. Here what?
Akhtar, please mute yourself, bro. Akhtar.
Here what? Here what? One module equal to what? One project, guys. Okay. Here one module equal to one project. But here what is that? Combination of all module equal to one project. Come on. Combination of what? All module equal to what?
All
one
modules
project.
equal to one project.
Yeah, but in the microservices, one module equal to one project. Come on, guys.
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
One
Yes, Ravi.
or we can say that one service equal to one application.
One project, one application.
One application or one project, right? One application or one project. Come on, clear?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes,
So,
Ravi.
so the definition will come, right? The definition is what? Means what? Running one service, right? Running one services as a one independent application, right? Independent application is nothing but what? Microservices. Come on.
Yes, yes, one.
Just here, see here what? Here one module is depending on another module. This module is dependent on one another module. But what in the microservices, what is that? All module is independent, and what is that? They are running in the server, right? They are running in the server. So what means what? We can means what? If we dividing all services in a single project, single project, right? So and that server project we are deploying in the server, and that project is running independently. That that is nothing but what? Microservices, guys. So we can say
microservices.
yeah. So just normally I'm giving what? Normal one module, right? One module as what? One project. One module is nothing but what? One project in microservices. So normal simple definition I'm giving, guys. Okay, simple definition, right? Means what? Running one services as a one independent application is nothing but what? Microservices. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so okay, guys. So now let's give some questions. I'm asking some questions. Use the chat box, guys. Everyone, give the chat box. Use the chat box and give the response. Let's see that how many people really listening our what session carefully. Just I want to know that one only, guys. Okay. So the question is what? My question is what? See this. My question is what? What is mean by what? Max load. Give the answer, guys. Use the chat box. I want to see this one. 200, that is the by default, guys. 200, that is the okay, good. No, yeah, Yeah, Akhtar, Seema Akhtar. Good. Yes, very good, very good. Good observation, Pushpenda. I appreciated you front of everyone. Server max request. Yeah, Praveen. Yeah, good, very good. Padma, very good. Max request. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, so good. I appreciated you. Yeah, Manjulata, good. Divya
That can-
Arora, maximum number of requests that can handle by server. Yeah, very good. You Divya, you copy pasted like what? Pushpendra answer. Good, no issue, no issue. Okay, good. Yeah, good, very good. So the answer is what? The answer is what? Max number. Max number.
number of requests can be
Yeah,
handled. Requests as handled
yeah,
maximum number of requests handled by the server.
yeah. By a server. Okay, so default our Tomcat and Jetty server default capacity is what now, guys? Default is what? 200 na? Come on. Okay, so another question I'm asking guys. Okay, let's see that. I want to check na. Okay, so another question is what is the what is load factor? This is one question, and its range. Its range. Give the response, guys. Give the response. I want to see this one. Sunil, wrong. Divya Arora, wrong. Manjulata, wrong.
Active
Load, yeah. Padma, very good. Pushpen, number of request current have. Okay, so another one is what? Praveen,
requests.
yeah, very good. Appreciated, Praveen. Padma, good. Yeah,
0 to 1, the load
0
factor.
to 0 to 1 range. And what is the load factor?
Range.
Yes, very nice, very nice. Very
Active
nice.
requests per maximum request.
Yes, good. The answer is what? The answer is what? Everyone given the right answer, guys. Okay, so the answer is what? Current load.
Current number of requests by
Current load plus what? Max load, right? Max load, right? Max
maximum.
load. And we are representing this load based on that what? 0 load factor.
0
And
to 1.
between 0
Load
to
factor.
1, right? Come on, this one only I explained na. Come on, this one only, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, okay, let's give another question answer also, guys. Let's give another question answer also. Now, guys, can you tell me what is instance? What is instance? What is instance, guys?
Like creating
Server
separate
reference.
space in server.
Reference.
It is just an object.
Okay, guys, no problem, right? No problem. Okay, the answer is what? Answer, see this, guys. Okay, the answer is what? Answer is what? An application running under the server. The application, right? Application
Under
application running under server. Under what? Under server. That is nothing but what? Instance. This one only I explained now, guys. Come on, see this. See this. The what I said, that this is the one instance means what? Even I said that at the time of explanation, right? One application. One application is running where now? In the server only, right?
Based on the reference.
So that server in
Yes,
the
sir.
in the server, one application is running, right? This is nothing but what? Instance. One application is nothing but what? One instance. So where that instance is running, where that instance is running? In the server only, right? So that one only I given. An application running under the server, that is nothing but what? Instance. Come on, clear, guys?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Yes,
guys.
Ravi, very clear.
Based on the current discussion only, I'm asking the question, guys. Okay, I'm seeing that how many people is listening our session what with carefully. Okay, so then right, because if I'm observing those people, right, so I will try to put those people in the coming session also, right? Because of that I'm giving this kind of answer, right? And even see this between our session only I'm asking the question, right? So here what? Give the guys what is one more answer. What is a deployment? What is the deployment? Our question is what? Deployment. I explained, right?
Application.
No.
Deployment in server. Creating application, but put down server for X.
Okay, guys. So see this answer, right? See this answer. See this answer. Placing dot var file
Into the server. Into
dot
the
var
server.
file dot file inside server, inside the server, placing that var file inside that server,
Application.
and what? And start the server. Server is nothing but what? Is nothing but what? Deployment. Come on, clear, guys? Placing that var file inside the server and what? Start the server. That is nothing but what? Deployment. Clear?
File could be the .jar also. Like,
Sorry.
File could be .jar format also.
Okay, guys. So one more question, right? One more question. Just tell me one more question, right? So my question is what? What is scaling?
Integration.
What is scaling and how?
Improvement.
How many types? How many types? Can you give the answer now, guys?
The system application. The system application performance.
Okay, good. Okay, good. So let's see that how many people given the answer. What is those people name? Increase the performance horizontal.
Improving
Very
performance
nice.
for
Very
testing.
nice. Absolutely correct, Padma. Increasing the performance horizontal and vertical. Very good. Very good. Yeah.
Horizontal is
Okay, so I'm taking the answer of what? Padma and Praveen, right? Padma and Praveen, and I'm giving here answer this one only, guys. Okay, this one only, right? So this is the answer. Improving
horizontal is
the performance of application and the two type, vertical and horizontal. Just I copy pasted, guys.
Horizontal
Okay,
is
just I copy pasted.
application
I took
divided into
answer from the chat box, and I copy pasted. This is the answer only, guys. This is the only answer. Okay, so one more question, guys. Just normally I'm asking, okay, what is a
This
C?
application classified into different servers.
1 minute, don't speak here, Praveen. Okay, so many people are there. Okay, if you only speak, then how they will listen to me? Okay, so the last question. Okay, what is CI/CD? What is CI and what is the CD? And example tool. Can anyone tell what is
Example,
CI and what is the
yes, sir.
CD?
Continue integration continuous deployment.
Continuous
It is used in Jenkins.
Yes, very good.
continuous integration, continuous deployment.
Unmute yourself, guys. Okay, unmute yourself. No need to use chat box. Unmute yourself. Just tell to me. Okay, tell to me.
The application is divided into
Continuous
different
integration
servers.
by continuous deployment to Jenkins, sir.
Yeah, very good.
Load factor.
Okay, good. So now okay, guys. So I'm stopping the session here itself only, guys. Anyone having any doubt related to our today discussion?
Yes, Ravi. I have load balance.
Load balancer, right?
Yeah. Yes, Ravi.
Okay, currently today, whatever explanation I given, I related to what instances, just you got those point.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so don't worry about that load balancer. In coming session, right? 2 to 3 day I will
The
explain.
application is
I will
classified into
I will explain what I will
load
explain
balance.
load
It
balancer,
can handle server requests.
right? So 2 to 3 days I will explain, right? Load balancing only, right? So there you will get the clear picture. Here actually, right here our what not intention to explain the load balancer, but without load balancer I can't explain horizontal scaling, right? So because of that I took. Don't bother about this one. Clear?
Yeah, okay, Ravi.
So
Yes, Ravi.
is still anyone having any doubt?
So far, it is clear, sir.
So I know that today
Um,
theory only there, but but what we can do, right?
I have a general question. I'm just looking for someone who has good experience in Spring Boot application to help me with my project. I don't know if anybody here has some experience that can help me with my Spring Boot application. We can share contacts and the person can help me. I can even compensate the person for his time or her time if the person is willing. Anyone, guys?
Hello, Ravi.
Praveen, yeah. Praveen, I'm just asking if you have good experience in Spring Boot application, we can share contact so you can help me. I have one project I'm working on, but it's a little bit tough. So I'm looking for someone that can help me understand very well what is happening. I don't have much experience with that. Yeah.
Yeah. What's your account in the Telegram? What's your account?
What do you mean account? Yeah, I can give my number to you if you want.
Yeah. What's your name in the Telegram? Just I will send a message in the Telegram, bro.
Are we? I don't know. I don't think I'm in that Telegram group. Let me just check to see if I'm in that group because I'm not too sure. What is the Telegram group name again, please? Let me just Google it so I can join. I don't think I'm a member of it. It should be Arcade Technology, right? Oh yeah, got it here. I just joined it. I'm just gonna write my name here. My name is Awa Khan.
Where are you from, bro?
I'm from Africa, but I reside in Canada.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I speak French. French is my first language, but I just managed to speak English.
Yeah.
I just